Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake from scratch. Begin by bringing cream cheese, eggs, and sour cream to room temperature. Preheat the oven and prepare a 9-inch springform pan with a tight foil wrap. Pulse crumbs with butter for a compact crust, then press evenly. Mix filling gently to avoid air bubbles and pour over crust, smoothing the top before baking. In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake from scratch. Measure cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and sour cream before starting. Soften cheese fully and beat until creamy, scraping the bowl often. Add eggs one at a time, mixing on low to prevent aeration. Fold in sour cream for silkiness, then pour into the prepared crust. Ensure the pan is wrapped to prevent water. In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake from scratch. Bake the cake at a low temperature in a water bath to maintain gentle, even heat. After the bake, cool the cheesecake in the oven with the door cracked to prevent sudden shrinkage and cracks. Transfer to the fridge and chill for at least 4 hours or overnight for best texture. Serve at room temperature for the creamiest bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.